GoPro Hero 11 performance testing in the night. Although the GoPro Hero 11 is excellent during the day, what is its performance at night? In this video we discover its performance at night. You'll want to focus most closely on your night shutter settings, which control the shutter speed and therefore the amount of light let into a given shot. GoPro night photography will always turn out best if the camera is stationary. But in this video we were using the GoPro handler to test the quality of the video while slowly walking from road to home.